Hey, we're gonna do a complete teardown of this Star Model B. This is a Super B, and you can tell because it says that on the bottom. Right. There. B Super. Don't you want a B Super? I know I do. Okay. Let's see how it goes. First you take the magazine out. Yeah, it's clear. Then you flip the takedown lever forward. Slide comes right off. Put that aside. Let's see if we can take apart the frame first. Okay. Pull these screws out from the grip panels. There's one, and a little washer. There's the second one. Put those guys aside. Let's take the other one off. There we go. Alright, we'll take... There we go. Take the takedown lever and slide release off. You just push that out. That lifts right out of there. That fell right out. That's good. Magazine catch. I need a little screwdriver. Turn this screw counterclockwise as you find the sweet spot as you're pressing on this button here. Oh, there we go. That's easy. Same with this thing here. It that's the magazine safety, and also it retains the takedown lever when the magazine is inserted. So this one we have to push on this pin as we are turning the screw. That can get a little awkward, but not today. That came out easy. Okay. What else do we got? Safety. That just pivots right out of the way. At least it would if the hammer was down. Let's see. There we go. Just pivots right out of... No, it doesn't. Okay. I lied. I really thought it did. No, yeah, it does. There we go. Be careful not to lose the spring and plunger. Okay, there's that. Now to get the hammer out. You get a pretty beefy pin right here. You pound it from this end. We'll see how that works. Let's get a piece of wood. Oh, there we go. Got a little punch here. Okay. Okay, that's coming along okay. Well, there goes that. There's your pin. And out comes the hammer. Actually, this hammer I bobbed right here because it was giving me a bit of hammer bite. There we go. Then we'll pull out the mainspring. That's it all in there. There we go. Complete with its guide. Okay. Alright. Alright, what else do we have? Ah yes, the trigger. Let's pull the trigger out. Now there's a pin that retains it. And this one you hammer from this side that way. Opposite of what we did with the hammer. This is being a bit of a bugger. Let's see. Something a little heavier. Is that moving? Yeah, it's starting to move on us. Okay. It's on its way to coming out. Hit it with the heavy. Alright, there goes that. Put that here. Okay. And this trigger comes straight back. Gonna gotta pull it out of its sear. Just push it along gently. While guiding. There we go. And out it comes. We'll put that there with its pin. It slides right out. This is the disconnector. So that you can't pull the trigger unless you're in battery. Or at least you can, but the hammer won't drop, won't engage the sear, which is right here. And that actually fits, I think, in that groove there. Alright. What else? Well, I guess we can pull the sear out. And that comes out the same way. A similar size pin. Actually the same size pin. Alright. But you'll notice, just so you don't screw them up later, that the sear pin and the trigger pin have the same diameter, but the trigger pin is shorter. I don't know if you can see that. Here we go. Well, if you put them in the wrong spot, it'll be obvious. Alright, so that's out. And out comes the sear. Put that there with its pin. Okay, and then we have the, I guess that's the spring for the sear, or the trigger spring. And it just lifts right out. It's got a little notch that goes around this pin. And I think that's pretty much it. That's what I'd call a bare frame. You can remove the ejector by driving out a pin that's over here. Right there. by the looks of it, that would go from this end out. But we're not going to do that. That's more in depth than anyone ever really does. Well, there we go. That's that. Now the slide, that's pretty easy. First thing you need to do is pull out the recoil spring. Get that out. That comes out as a unit. You don't really need to take this apart. And we turn this, I don't know, 45 degrees. Counterclockwise. It lifts right out. Barrel comes out too. There we go. Okay, now we want to take the rear sight off on that. There we go. Yeah, mine's a little loose. But there we go. Just slides right out. It's dovetailed in there. Next, you can pull out the loaded chamber indicator. Push on it a little bit. And pull. Slides right out. There goes that. Looks like the camera stopped. That's okay. We'll take it from where we left off. In order to get the firing pin out, you got to pull out that retaining pin. You just hammer that out from the bottom, like this. There we go. Doesn't appear to be in there very tight. There we go. There's your retaining pin. And there's your firing pin. Ooh, nice, huh? The firing pin spring. What else do we have left? Ah, yes. The ejector. No, that's the extractor. Anyways. That one, I think you hammer from the top out. So let's see what we can figure out here. Okay. We need a longer pin. Here we go. Okay, that came out. It's right there. Put that over here. Here we go. Out it comes. It's a little dirty. We'll give that a clean. And we also got a spring here. Yep. And that's it. Good luck.